These are the two going up head to head against each other today, both from Anastasia Beverly Hills. One is the Luminous Foundation, it's this one, and the other one, it's the Impeccable Blurring Second Skinned Matte Foundation, so that's this one. I know and have tried this one several times before, and I really like it. It's one of my favorites actually. I have never tried this one before. In this one I have shade 2N, and in this one I have shade 240N. So let's get started by adding them to my skin. So I will do the Impeccable Blurring on my right side and the Luminous Foundation on my left side. So I'm putting the foundation on the back of my hand and I'm tapping off, and so it doesn't get too heavy. I think this is really easy to put on, and it spreads and blends really easily. But this looks really good. Let me have a look a little bit close up. Yeah. So what do you think? Remember to comment below. It's always good to see what you think. So that was one side, and that was the
Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation. This one.
Let's continue with the Luminous Foundation on the other side. Let's see how this blends. And again, it's really easy to apply. It's going to be interesting to see the difference. It's so easy and quick to add these two, so yeah. I think we are almost there. Let me have a look a little bit close up. I think it looks flawless, actually. Do you see any difference, first of all? Let me get a little bit closer and... Oh, sorry. I'm like, oh, okay. Let's get... I forget that I'm filming. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let's have a look. So this is the Luminous Foundation on this side. And then you have the Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation on this side. Immediately, I think I can see that this side is more matte. This one is a little bit more luminous, but I think both of them looks really good. I mean, up till now, this one has been my favorite, one of my absolute top foundations. So yeah, it's hard. What do you think? Help me. Leave some comments below to see which one you think looks best. So this is supposed to be more matte. I have a really dry skin, mature dry skin, and this is working really well on me, so I don't think there should be any problems. And it also lasts for a long time. This one is going to be so interesting now because I haven't used this before, and see how it lasts and how it's holding up during the next hours. Oh, by the way, look what I got. The Tear Concealer. It's so interesting. I think it's really good. I've been testing it a few days now and wow. I'm saying wow. Look at this. It's so easy. I'm actually using the stick. Just actually going to use my fingers to kind of set it, or it's almost flawless as well. I can't believe it. It's amazing. I don't even know how to set it with my fingers. It's just melting into your skin. It's fantastic. It's actually, yeah, so far it has been extremely good, I have to say. And let's set it with some powder. Today we are doing the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Oh, come on. Okay. And here's my little helper. Hi, Louis. This is my little golden retriever doggy. Yes. And his name is Louis. And he's 6 years old. And he's such a good guy. I'm so nervous now. Is it going to ruin everything? And I'm just tapping it in along here where I need it. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Hope you can see this. Wow. This is working so well. Wow, I can't believe it. It is not setting into any creases. Can you see that? No fine lines, nothing. Just flawless. I think this is the first time I'm trying the... oh, sorry. I keep forgetting that you can see me behind here. That is nice. I have to say. I'm almost speechless. I think it's so nice. So I have to repeat what I've been using under my eyes so everyone knows. I've been using the Tertier brand new concealer, and I used a stick. It's like, as you saw, it's almost like it's melting on your skin. You don't even have to touch it almost. And then the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I think it's translucent. I took off my lash extensions. I took them off. So now I'm using the Swede Lash Serum. It's going to be so interesting. Everyone is just so satisfied with it. It has so many good reviews. Let's go with Patrick Ta today. So this is the She's a Doll. And as you know, it's a cream one and a powder one. I think Patrick himself usually go with the powder first and then the cream on top. And as always, I keep forgetting the bronzer. I don't know. It's like every time I forget about the bronzer. As you know, I like my blushes. The more you better. I think this is such a beautiful color. Let's just try a little bit of that creamy one on top. It's a little bit darker, isn't it? Oh, it is. It's almost red. It's a little bit darker, but it's beautiful. So what do you think? Leave your comments below. Do you see any difference from this side to this side? As I'm putting on more makeup and now with the blush, I definitely think we can... This is more luminous. This is more matte. As you can see, I already added some mascara to what used to be my eyelashes. There's nothing left. Almost nothing left. For my eye makeup today, I used the Colourpop Rock On, and I will leave a picture of it up here somewhere. So this is again, it's you guys, I have ordered some new bronzers, I promise you. But it's still, for now, Maybelline City Bronzer. But I really do enjoy this. I think maybe I'll do Ravy Beauty today on my lips. And I love Dahlia. Dahlia is my favorite. It's so beautiful. Don't you think so? So this is Dahlia from Ravy Beauty. I'll see you back in a few hours so we can see how it's holding up. Hi you guys. I'm back. It's been 6 hours. What do you think? Do I see any difference? Not much, I have to admit. Maybe a little bit more shine on this side. I think the makeup itself did hold up quite well. I did not touch up anything except from the lipstick, to be honest. I don't think it looks that bad after 6 hours. So on this side I have the Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation from Anastasia in shade 2N. On this side we have the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. This is the first time I'm using it. So what is Anastasia Beverly Hills saying about the Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation? It says it will give you a flawless skin all day impeccable. And then on their website they have this section of why you love it. So it's a velvet matte medium to full coverage foundation with a natural second skin finish. It's long wearing, up to 12 hours, and water resistant. Weightless, water-based formula effortlessly blends and builds. It hydrates skin with hyaluronic acid to maintain plump, bouncy skin. It blurs, smooths and minimizes pores, fine lines, wrinkles and texture. Visibly even skin tone and masks discoloration, redness and blemishes. It's non-slip, non-cakey formula, doesn't melt, separate or settle into lines. No flashback formula, doesn't self-set or oxidize for a natural finish. Pairs perfectly with liquid, cream and powder finishes. Ideal for all skin types, especially oily skin. I have more of a dry skin, although my T-zone could be oily. Available in 25 flexible shades and undertones. Dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic and safe for sensitive skin. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it's free from phthalates, gluten, mineral oil, talc, sulfates, parabens, oil and fragrance. And as I told you in the beginning of this video, this is one of my top favorites when it comes to foundations. So it's already up there. So on this side, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 240N, 240N. Light skin with a natural warm undertone. And this is what Anastasia Beverly Hills says about this foundation on the website. So why you love it? It's water resistant, long wearing formula with medium coverage. It gives the complexion a fresh, radiant look with a lightweight second skin feeling. No flashback formula creates a soft focus effect and does not oxidize. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's formulated without gluten, parabens, alcohol, oil, mineral oil, or talc. It's clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and non-comedogenic. It's cruelty-free and vegan, available in 47 shades with 5 shade categories: fair, light, medium, tan, and deep, and 3 undertones: cool, warm, neutral. So that's the two foundations together. And do you know what? I think they are quite similar. Do you see any difference here? Please leave your comments below. Have you tried them both? Let me know what you think. They look pretty similar, but I must say I still kind of feel this one is the best for me. Could also be because this has fuller coverage than the other side, so hard to say. They are quite similar, I would say. I think this is still my favorite, all-time favorite from Anastasia Beverly Hills, that is. At the end, I have to give a shout out to 2 of the products I used today. That is, first of all, the Tear Concealer. As you saw, just melted into my skin. And I have to say, it still looks really good. It's minimum creasing. And then I have to also shout out for e.l.f. the Halo Glow Setting Powder. I have always told you guys that my absolute favorite was the Givenchy powder, the old one. And it still maybe is, but I mean, this one from e.l.f. is so good. Look at this. It's like I can't even see it. It's so fine. I've had it for a long time, but I forgot about it. But I'm going to use this a lot more, actually. I liked it a lot. You might have noticed my Coca-Cola from Glamlight back here. We will go through that any day soon. I also have She Glam coming up. We have more foundations coming up. We have skin tints coming up. We have so much coming up. So don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell to get notifications when I'm posting my next video, which will be in just a couple of days. So see you then. Bye bye.